For more free videos, go to zeroxbilliards.com. All the videos are organized so learning the game of pool has never been easier. From fundamentals to kicking, banking, breaking, and cue ball control, we have all the videos you need to supercharge your game. Also, low action has other benefits. It allows you to shoot easier on shots where you need to hold the cue ball. And whenever you can shoot easier, the pockets play much bigger. For instance, on this shot, I need to shoot the 3 and hold the cue ball for the 8. Now, many players, when they attempt to stop a cue ball from this distance, will shoot pretty firmly. The problem is, if they are off even a little bit, the pocket may reject their shot. Now, I'll shoot the same shot at about 40% softer speed using low action. So even at this soft speed, I was able to stop the cue ball for position. Here's an example of the pocket playing bigger using low action. I'm going to shoot the 3 and try to hold the cue ball in the same area as the 3. But because of the speed I start the shot at, the pocket has rejected the shot. Now I'll shoot the same shot with low action, but this time I'll be hitting the shot much easier, at about 50% less speed. And even though I mishit the shot, the ball still goes in since it was traveling at a much softer speed. Another advantage of low action is that it minimizes angles. Let me show you what I mean. In this example, we're playing a game of 8-ball and I ended up on the wrong side of the 12-ball to get on the 8. Ideally, I would like to keep the cue ball from moving too far from the 12. That way I can shoot the 8-ball in the bottom right corner pocket. But even when I shoot the shot softly, the cue ball still floats away, leaving me on the other side of the 8-ball. But this time I'm going to shoot softly using low action, and the low action is going to help kill the cue ball, leaving me with a shot in the 8-ball. In this example, we're shooting the 12-ball, but once again we ended up with too much angle on it. And shooting softly with draw results in the cue ball ending up on the wrong side of the 8-ball. This time I'm going to shoot softly using low action. We can see how the cue ball is being pulled up table, resulting in a position shot for the 8-ball. In this final example, I need to hold the cue ball for shape in the 8 for the bottom left-hand corner pocket. But due to the angle in the 12, even a soft shot results in the cue ball getting away from our position area. But using low action, I can kill the cue ball holding it for the 8-ball. Here's another advantage of using low action. In this situation, I'm shooting the 14 ball, but I have an angle on it, which means the cue ball will be going into the solids, and I could end up without a shot on the 8. But if I shoot it with low action, the cue ball will drive through the solids for a clear shot on the 8-ball. Here's another example where I can use low action to drive through the ball and get position on the 8-ball. In this last example, I'm on the wrong side of the 10-ball, and getting shape on the 8 is going to be tricky. And if I draw the cue ball back, it's going to go straight into the 5-ball. So once again, I'm going to use low action. And now we can see that the cue ball struck the 5-ball full, but the low action pushes the balls out of the way, and I now have shape on the 8-ball. To watch more free videos like this one, we set up a page that is filled with free videos covering every aspect of pool. All the free videos are organized by topic, so learning this great game of pool has never been easier. I put a link in the description that takes you directly to this webpage.